Oh, I'm gonna taste another one, guys. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna put in the pepper sauce in there, the middle. Oh, this is heaven, man. Put some coriander leaf on top. This is heaven, guys. Wow. Hello, guys. How are we all doing? Before I start to tell you guys what I'm cooking, I want to say thank you to all my supporters, my viewers, my members. Thank you, all my YT friends. Thank you, all my YT families. Thank you so much for your massive support each time I upload a video. You guys are always there to give me a thumbs up, to make an encouragement, comments. Guys, if you know how much I appreciate you guys, I just say God will bless you guys. Okay, let's crack on now. Today, I'm making yam ball. This is my yam here. Okay, I'm gonna show you in a minute. But before that, I'm gonna say mega shout out to Chiama's Kitchen. Yeah, I like that as slogan. Chioma, love you guys. And Nonye Chika, yeah, I watched this their yam ball and I was like, wow. I've never tried it before. I never knew anything about yam ball. So, this YouTube thing has really exposed me to many, different kinds of cooking recipes. And I watch Fantastic Deba as well. Mega shout out to 3 of you. I want to try this recipe and see how it goes. But my own gonna be a little twist. Okay, guys? So right now, I'm gonna crush my garlic, ginger, pepper, sweet pepper, spring onions, everything is there. Okay, guys? So, guys, this is the yam. Okay, I'm gonna start peeling the yam. Yeah, that is the yam. Okay, that is the yam. That is the yam. This time around is very, very hard to get a nice yam. Goes in the water. So guys, I've peeled the yam. So this is the yam now. I'm gonna be washing it. Give it a good rinse. That's the yam. That's the yam, guys. The yam has been washed. that is the yam. Instead of me to say I'm gonna put in salt, I'm not gonna put in salt. I'm gonna put in this aromant, okay, to cook my yam. Because you can as well use sugar to boil yam and make your egg sauce and eat with the yam. So I'm putting this aromant none in my yam. Okay, guys, that is my salt. So I'm gonna cover it. So guys, I want to fry my onions, garlic, ginger, and my chicken. I'm using chicken, so you can use fish, you can use any meat of your choice to add to your meatballs. Okay, guys, you don't have to do my own way. Do your own way, the way you want it. Okay, so this is my onions I'm frying now. That is the diced chicken. Okay, I can as well use beef, I can use sardine, I can use meat, I can use anything. I can use boiled egg and mash it up, So that is the chicken cooking in there. You chop it fine, very fine and thin. Okay, so I'm going to put in my garlic. That's my ginger powder. That is my garlic powder. Okay. That's my chili flake. I'm gonna put my chili flake. Can you see it? Yes. So this yam ball gonna be banging with flavors, Put any flavor you want to taste in there. So this is my chop. This one I'm gonna use this to do sauce, but I'm gonna add a little bit of it in there as well. Okay, goes in there. So my yam is cooking while I'm doing the meat to go with it. Okay, guys. And I put in my secret weapon. I always call it aromant. No aromant, okay? I use it a lot in my cooking. It's my salt. There's already green chili here. I ground green chili here. You see, that is green chili, sweet pepper, So it's all gonna be banging in. It's cooked now. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, and put it here. Let it cool first before you smash it up. Okay, it's gonna go in there. I'm gonna make the sauce for the yam ball where you'll be dipping it to eat your yam ball. Okay, I'm gonna make the sauce. You can make any sauce. You can eat with ketchup. This is my sauce. Okay, you can eat it with ketchup, anything you fancy. You can eat it with stew. You can make proper stew and dip it inside. You can eat it just on its own like that, like you eat your egg roll. But I'm gonna make sauce where I dip it inside, okay? And this is the sauce, frying on the fire. It's sweet pepper, green long pepper, and sweet pepper is there, green and red, and the normal green long chili pepper is there, onions, garlic, ginger. So I'm gonna put in tomato puree now. So that's what we're gonna be dipping it to eat with it. Okay, guys. So guys, the yam has cold. The yam has to be cold before you start mashing it up. Otherwise, when you mash it when it is hot, then you know you're gonna get pounded yam. Okay, the yam is being mashed up. Okay, I'm mashing up the yam now. So I'm gonna tip in my fried chicken and onions and all the sauce in there. Gonna go in there. Okay, I'm gonna mash all of them up. I'm gonna put fresh onions in there. Fresh onions, not fried, just fresh, okay? To give it that wow taste, you know. So this one gonna go. You see the yam? The yam has to be like a crumble, you know, crumble bread. Okay, not like a pounded yam. Look. Okay. Okay. That is my egg beaten in there. That is my breadcrumbs, homemade breadcrumbs. I got black pepper in there. I got garlic powder, ginger powder, cinnamon, you know, all the powder in there. I got a little bit of corn flour starch and a little bit of all-purpose flour. You know, it's homemade breadcrumbs I made by myself, okay? Start rolling my yam ball, okay? Any shape you want it, either round, either like an old bun shape, it's up to you, okay? That is it there. You know, stay in there. I'm gonna roll all of them first, okay? Guys, that is my yam ball already rolled. That is the egg I'm gonna dip in it into, okay? So I want you to see how I'm frying it. That is the pan I'm frying it with. To know if the oil is cooked or is hot enough, I'm gonna put in some pieces of onions. It's not hot enough, so I'll leave it to. So I'm gonna dip it in the breadcrumbs, then go into the hot oil. Okay, I got 3 in there. I don't want to pile up the little pots. I'll make it 4. Put in the egg, put it in the egg, then sprinkle some breadcrumbs in there. Then fry. Look at the breadcrumbs, guys. Look, crunchy and brownish. Look, wow. This one has cooked, guys. So I put them in here. You see, so the pepper will absorb the oil, okay? That's why I'm putting it there. Guys, this is the last batch out from the fire. Look at it, look. That is the sauce. I chop in coriander leaf on top of the tomato sauce I fried to dip in. That is the yam ball, guys. Look at that. Wow. Look how crunchy it is. Crunchy, it's like you are eating chicken nuggets. But this is not chicken nugget, guys. This is yam ball. Okay? Guys, look at the yam ball. Oh, this is yummy, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You just dip it in there. Oh, this is heaven, man. Oh, I'm gonna taste another one, guys. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna put in the pepper sauce in there, the middle. Oh, this is heaven, man. Put some coriander leaf on top. This is heaven, guys. Wow. Oh, I can't help myself, my guys. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my God, look. This is beautiful, man. This is beautiful, look. Oh, this yam, I'm gonna finish the whole bowl, you know. I'm finishing the whole bowl, man. I can't help it, guys. This is yummy, man.